Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to give Claude feedback in mid-conversation. If you're using Claude AI and you want to give feedbacks to Claude chats or responses in mid-conversations, let's see how can I do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just simply go to Claude AI. Now you can make it and one of your recent conversation. You can also try to create a new chat or a new conversation here. So if Claude gives you a response and you want to give feedback on it, you will see these two buttons for giving a quick feedback. Is the give positive feedback button and the give negative feedback button. You just have to click on anyone. So let's say I'm gonna click on this positive feedback button, and here you might see detail option. You have to provide detail that what was satisfying about this response. So it will help Claude AI to understand you and your knowledge. So you just have to simply enter something or enter the thing that is satisfying about this response. Once you're done, just click on the submit and the feedback will be submitted. You can also skip this details. You if you don't want to provide details, so you can skip this because it's optional. You just have to click on submit and your positive feedback will be submitted to Claude AI. Or if you want to give a negative feedback, just click on this thumbs down and here you will see what type of issue do you wish to report. You just have to click on select and from here you have to select any issue. You can also select other to enter a new issue or the issue which you are happening, or it's also optional. You can skip this if you want to. You just have to click on submit if you don't want to give any report or any detail about your negative feedback. So in this ways, you can easily make a quick feedback to Claude AI responses. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.